some of the issues would probably have limited knowledge. So when I have limited knowledge at work, so there could be some problem for me delivering my best at work. Actually, there's some significant improvement. My name is Anis Ashikin binti Abdullah Bahari. Currently taking part-time BBA course, business admin. And currently I'm working at a petrochemical company by the name Lotte Chemical Titan Corporation. So it's located at Bandar Utama. So I'm working as an admin assistant at the moment. I actually heard it from a co-worker. At that time, I was planning to further my study for career development, improvement position. So I approached some co-workers, and then one of them currently is studying in Mantissa College. Her name is Tang Huyong. She's the same course as mine. So she introduced me to Mantissa College, and that's when I enrolled in Mantissa program. I started last year, March 2021. Some of the issues would probably have limited knowledge. So when I have limited knowledge at work, so it could be some problem for me delivering my best at work in terms of performance, and mostly performance, and then that is why I plan to further my studies to the related job area. Besides, it is a requirement for my job. It's also important for me to improve my knowledge. And that is why I enrolled for degree program. Actually, there's some significant improvement, especially related to my work. I understand how my department works better. I have a better understanding of how my department works and how the management works and how they make decisions and how an organization functions work. Actually, my favorite moments are probably my classes with the lecturers, of course. They are very helpful and they are very knowledgeable, and I think online is not as tense as it seems, because sometimes I always thought that learning online would be difficult, but most of the lecturers made it easy for me. Okay, because I have passed e-commerce few months back, but I still remember how online payment works, how a merchant can convert their physical store to online store, and how they manage their online store. It's very related because I noticed some businesses I felt easy when they have online store, and it's very related to my assignment. I understand it very easy. So how this business from a physical store, they can run an online store as well. Because I'm not a business-minded person, but I really want to understand how business works, especially from a customer perspective. I would like to have a deeper understanding. How safe is the online payment, for example? How safe is an online store, and how they keep our privacy, our data? Yes, I have a better understanding of that after I learned e-commerce. Well, the question actually, I had to make a research on it about an online store and how they operate. So the more I do some researches, the more I understand it, because I relate very closely. For example, my assignment, I chose a laundry store because I normally go to this laundry store every week, and this store is my favorite laundromat, laundry shop. And somehow they actually upgraded their service to online, where they can collect and pick up from house. When I learn about e-commerce, and I do some research, it's closely related to what I'm doing every week. So knowing that how this shop operates, I feel safe of how they run their store, their business. Choose Mantissa.